almost on the horizon.
It does, it really, yeah.
way.
Yep,
That doesn't have to go
Got
in.
that on camera.
That does not have to go in.
I got the very end of it. Awkwardness.
I'm gonna ruin your bleep budget.
Surprisingly, it's actually pretty small.
Did you know you can tripod an iPhone and let it sit there on the little night setting and it'll go all the way up to 30 seconds?
Oh, the
For the-
exposure?
yeah.
Yeah.
Have you seen the star pictures of those?
Yeah.
It's freaking crazy. I don't have my tripod. Oh, my tripod. Nah, it doesn't matter. It's not that great. I'm gonna tripod it right here. It's a cool shot. It looks cool. Look at it.
That's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool.
Looks cooler.
Yeah, I know. The camera doesn't pick it up anywhere near as cool.
No.
But anyway. Well, that was fun.
It was
Yep.
good. No one broke.
Yeah.
It's
Well,
a little
well.
messed up.
It drove on the trailer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
winches were used today.
That's
Every
it.
car was on the trailer.
And
Yeah.
we didn't hit a wall.
Right.
No.
Yeah, I think we all did pretty well today, honestly.
I think we might have saved a few puppies today.
Yeah, just a couple. Maybe like a few.
At least one.
At least
Definitely.
one. There's gonna be one happy puppy somewhere.
Yeah.
That Dotson was happy.
It was on the grid the last session.
It was, yeah.
Yeah.
An open grid, he was holding them. Jason was
Yep.
holding them. Yeah.
I want to do like
Harley,
a
yeah.
pet. Be like, good,
We're
good luck
gonna
pets.
name him STD. The same time dog.
There it is. There it is. I was waiting for it.
You just need to keep
General's
that,
now with Ronnie.
You need to keep that thing rolling, bro. He just keeps doing it. He just keeps going. Keep going. You broke it.
I was waiting to see where he went with that. I'm like, can we keep this? Yeah, we can keep that one.
wrong with dog?
That was a good one.
That's it's our seat time dog. He hops in every so often.
Heck yeah.
You know, we got a little
We're going to
twitch,
the pound
but it's all right.
tomorrow. We're getting STDs.
That's it. Yeah.
Going to fountain.
Bro, trying to shoot an outro here. Anyway, no, it was a very successful day. We had a great time. All the cars did really well and held up for the most part. Typical repairs that are going to happen.
Oh,
Things get old, things get beat. We're not easy on them. So
Our cars look better than we do.
yeah,
Yes.
cars look great. It does. But anyway, next event for me is in a week.
Oh, that's right. You're doing TRC.
TRC. So that'll be fun. Yeah.
I'll come watch.
Yeah, get that transmission in there.
If I was A class, I'd be really pushing for it, but since I can't even drive with
They
it.
didn't say you weren't A class.
No, they didn't.
They didn't say you weren't. And you could just roll up and they just like, what class? And you're like, A. And they're like, okay.
Yeah.
That's all they do to me. They ask me every time. I'm like, bro, I've seen you like 4 times now.
I just handed that 20 right to Tommy. He was very appreciative. So
Yeah.
he'll probably be like, yo, great class.
Yeah, that's it. That's all it takes. $20 bill. You heard it here.
Well, Tommy's cheap.
Anyway.
Tag him in this.
Right?
Right, yeah. But,
Love you, Tommy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That was
Yeah.
a blast.
Great day. Good
Yeah,
fun.
so much fun.
Long day, but
I finally tamed the bull of the Destin 95.
Yeah.
The bull wasn't tamed. I've struggled with it for 3 events, and the last last dozen runs is tamed.
This is excellent.
Love
it was awesome. So,
It's no longer a wild Mustang.
Oh, it's still wild, but I got the reins on it.
yeah, gotta figure it out. Gotta
Yeah.
figure it out. But yeah, we're gonna call it a night and head home. And he's got like another 2 hours after that.
I'm driving back to Ocala.
Yeah.
It's all right, we'll offload your car for you.
Yeah. No, he can still do that.
Yeah, I can do that.
It's his
too.
car. That's the least.
I
he
would definitely
could
do it.
Actually, no. You,
wait,
do,
he's
you do
going-
have to move the MDX so I can put it in the driveway.
Oh,
that's right.
Corey's house first.
Yeah.
I
What a
forgot that he has to
guy.
go there as well.
What a guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going home.
Same. We're all going to my house. Oh, well, anyway, so it was a good time.
Yeah.
Fun night. I'm happy with everything that went down.
Oh, yeah. That was a blast.
Countless ride-alongs between all of us.
Oh, we got free hats.
Oh, yeah, we did. Yeah.
Mine's in the truck. We gotta get running.
I didn't get a hat. What the hell?
Beep.
Beep.
Clip. Beep. Didn't get off.
Sorry,
Beep.
guys.
Hat.
It's all good.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's only about an hour for me to edit all that crap out.
Yeah.
Alright.
The one word.
Yeah.
It's only about an hour for me to drive the car.
Damn.
Oh!
There it is.
Thanks for doing
All right.
Alright.
Put that in. We're done. We're out.
We're out. We did it.
Where's the money?
I'm waiting for it. It's coming eventually. We'll meet her one day. One day.
So,
One day we'll be some YouTube stars.
the whole track is hilarious. I mean, it works. It to be fair, at least you don't have the bungee cords holding the rocker up anymore.
Yeah. Or in the hood now.
Yeah, that shit was hilarious. I think we were going to a private area or something like that. I'm like, rockers going over there. I'm like,
The bungee cord.
all right. It was before the bungee cords too. It was just like flopping. I'm like, you good? You're like, yeah, I'm fine. You know, like the next time I saw any bungee cords, it.
Upgraded to salt tappers.
Nice.
A couple little pieces of salt tappers. It's just solid. Imagine driving that thing at 80 something miles an hour with 2 bungee cords holding the hood down. And then you watch it in the hood kind of bouncing up a little bit.
Me and flying up quick are getting
It never gets old. It just never gets old.
How long have you been doing it?
Legitimately on a track, a little over a year and a half. Growing up on dirt roads all the time.